good stuff for later in the show. So this one is another relationship-based poem. It's entitled Temporary Love, and it's based off of those type of relationships that you go through that's like a week or so and with the longevity. So again, you can understand what I'm saying in the poem. It goes like this. Okay. Temporary love, I wish I never met you. You want to gain my heart, but I will never let you. It seems stupid to jump into you readily when I know that what we lack is longevity. And why would I pull you in as an obligation, leaving the mind occupied and the heart vacant? Because this isn't love, just experimentation, and I'm regretting my decision of being your patient. First stage, I admit I was feeling it, but now I can't describe to you what this feeling is. I think I made the mistake of letting you in, so I need to cut you out, let incision begin. Another void that I need to fill again, because when I first met you, you were just penciled in. I need something permanent, like a Sharpie pen, light-hearted but warm, like a cardigan. If love's the game, I hope to never pull your card again, because if I do, we're back to the start, and then the in-between dies, now we're at a dead end, and can't find a state of mind to help us live again. The tempo of the temporary leaves you wanting more. Makes you believe that the love is free when actually it's one that you can't afford. You see, I've learned a lot from you temporary, but now I'm transferring from the course. Wish I could say I'll miss you temporary, because I don't need you anymore. Temporary love, it's been a good run, but now I'm starting my departure, have a good one. More fish in the sea, and I'm straying from that shallow end of the water where I met your acquaintance. From this chapter, I discard your pages, so don't talk, hold your tongue like shoelaces. Your input is anything but needed. Our relationship has died with temporary bereavement. Service is no longer needed. And usually I will be opposed to the thought of me leaving on such a bitter note. But I guess what I'm saying is you're a full-time job. It's my resignation. Thank you.
Oh, snap!